In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive files permanently. Whether you're tidying up your cloud storage or just want to ensure that some files are completely gone. Understanding how to delete files permanently from Google Drive is an essential skill. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently manage your drive without leaving any unwanted files behind. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Sign in using your Google account credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in your Drive, you should see a list of all your files and folders. To begin deleting a file permanently, locate the file you wish to delete. You can use the search bar at the top if you have trouble finding it. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it. To move forward, look at the top of your Drive interface and find the 3 vertical dots, which indicate more options. Click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you different actions you can take with the selected file. From this menu, click on Move to Trash, which will transfer your file to the Trash folder. It's important to note that moving a file to Trash doesn't delete it permanently yet. It's just the first step. Next, navigate to your Trash. You'll find the Trash option on the left-hand side of your Google Drive interface. Click on it, and you will be taken to the Trash folder containing all the files you have recently moved there. In the Trash folder, locate the file you want to permanently delete. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to the file again to bring up the Options menu. From the Options menu, select Delete Forever. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm if you indeed want to delete the file permanently. This step is crucial because once you delete a file forever, there's no way to recover it. Only proceed if you're certain that you no longer need the file. Click Delete Forever once more to confirm. Repeat these steps for any other files you wish to permanently remove from your Google Drive. Regularly emptying your trash not only helps in organizing your files, but also frees up storage space. You can even set your Google Drive to automatically empty trash after 30 days if you'd like. You've now successfully learned how to delete files permanently from Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful videos.